Next, I would like Social Finance Department, Government of Odisha, Dr. Bhagyasmita Sahu. I would like to welcome General Manager of UCO Bank and SLBC Convener of Odisha, Sri Gautam Parvez.
You to celebrate this Financial Literacy Week 2025 speaks volumes about the transformative power of financial education in shaping just not the individual lives but the entire community, maintaining the monetary. Further, RBI has supported India's economic growth by facilitating financial inclusion, promoting a healthy banking sector, and so with these few words, I
would like to request the regional.
That is what I believe. So there is no difference between homemaker and entrepreneur. Of course, so in the state of Odisha, with previously that Mission Shakti and now it's Subhadra, so no one is purely homemaker. So that is that combination is there. Anyway, so this is for the national theme. It is a privilege to share my thoughts with such an incredible gathering. The Reserve Bank of India has been observing this Financial Literacy Week every year since 2016, and this is the 10th edition of this initiative. The objective being observing Financial Literacy Week to spread awareness among people about key financial topics through focused campaigns. Little bit here I wanted to add, in different occasions I mentioned when we were every newspaper, be it vernacular paper or English paper, not the pink economic paper, they carry 1 or 2 pages on economy and finance area. So that has been the integral part of our life. So financial literacy, we cannot live without financial literacy. Now coming to Bhubaneswar office, Bhubaneswar we are having a regional office of RBI which covers the entire state of Odisha. Its domain has taken several initiatives office of RBI in the field of financial literacy, such as providing training to build capacity of financial literacy centers and CFLs. At Sardamali, Puri during Rath Yatra, the main near the Gundicha temple, we had this to spread awareness, which was hugely appreciated by the public. Conducting train the trainer program in 30 colleges covering all of RBI at 90. As Madam has mentioned, this is our 90th year of celebration of existence of Reserve Bank of India. RBI conducted a nationwide quiz for undergraduate students of colleges across all streams, for which the prize was so attractive. At national level it was 10 lakh, the first prize was 10 lakh and the state level it was 5 lakh. So there were also prizes for state, and from the those who were not there, I will like to mention in Santali language, actually the script is called Ulchiki script, which was launched during Bali Yatra by Honorable Chief Minister of Pensioners of 14 countries, the Bali Yatra Utsav. Literacy, women's prosperity. The intent is to prioritize financial literacy for women, considering their multifaceted role in the society. And I at Bhubaneswar on behalf of RBI can take pride that our Financial Inclusion and Development Department is also headed by woman Madam Avinda Patnaik, and next to her the Government Director Institutional Finance also is Madam have been so already. So that way, Prakashmita Madam, so that way we are ahead of other states when we compare with our other counterparts in other states, so we are one step ahead. The theme for this year is of all the more significance. There has been greater focus on women empowerment through various social schemes in the recent years. The major financial implications for women across different segments. Today, majority of the direct benefit transfers are being effected into the accounts of female members. Like I mentioned about Subhadra, where apart from transferring through digital mode direct benefit transfer to their account, also Odisha is the first state where the women received through CBDC, Central Bank Digital Currency Act, which was appreciated by none other than Honorable Prime Minister during the inauguration of that scheme. Wealth creation, saving and risk management and emergency planning. Many working women juggle multiple responsibilities, and understanding concepts like investment planning, taxation and financial security ensures that they maximize their earnings and secure their future. Entrepreneurship is a powerful driver of women's economic empowerment. However, many women struggle with access to credit, business finance management and investment decisions. Monopoly of anyone. So, we cannot keep it with ourselves. We have to pass on, we have to spread, and we have to take from them also whatever knowledge they are having.
I now request the dignitaries on the dais to kindly release the posters of financial.
Financial inclusion agenda only in the last 25 years or so, and for the last 10 years, Reserve Bank of India has come out with this financial literacy week. And I'm very happy that in this year the theme is financial literacy, women's prosperity. Because women constitute 50% of the population of any nation, of any community. If they are financially excluded, we cannot expect the next generation to be financially included. And one of the important aspects of financial literacy is financial inclusion is financial literacy. Financial inclusion cannot be achieved without financial literacy.
Dr. Prakashmita Sahu, Director Institutional Finance, Finance Department, Government of Odisha. To kindly
This financial literacy week, and this is every year's affair they do it. Let us first congratulate and have a big round of applause for RBI completing its 19th year. 19th year, and Central Bank of India its contribution towards nation building is really incredible. We almost celebrate it, and whenever there is they are the one who have actually provided financial stability to the country. So regarding financial literacy, all of our previous speakers have spoken a lot. What I would like to say that financial literacy is very important, and it has a strong relationship with financial inclusion. Because financial inclusion is the main agenda of every government. And what is it? What does it mean? That to provide easy and affordable access to financial products and services through formal banking system to the vulnerable sections of the society. And if people cannot be right start, become financially smart. Last year, 2023, the theme was on good financial behavior, your savior. 22, it was on credit discipline. Why I variation in states? The study shows that Arunachal Pradesh, with a score of, they are taking 3 factors into account: financial knowledge, financial attitude, financial behavior, and coming out with the financial literacy. That is a score, composite score. So Arunachal Pradesh with a score of 67.4 was the highest. The lowest one was Puducherry with 5.7% only, and Odisha with only a score of 10.2 was at 26th or 27th level. So there is a much scope needed. We all have to work in a coordinated manner because we all are the important stakeholders, and these years the charge has been given to the women because women are the better half of the society.
Thank you, ma'am, for your very good insights. Moving ahead, it is our endeavor to reach out to
Samradhanari. Suna ଝିଅ ଆସିଗଲା ସିଲେରି ହଁ ଏବେ ନୂଆ ଝୁମୁକା ନା ପ୍ରଥମେ ସଞ୍ଚୟ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଝୁମୁକା ଶୁଣ ପ୍ରତି ମାସରେ କିଛି ବଞ୍ଚାଅ କିଛି ନିବେଶ କର ଆଉ କିଛି ଏମର୍ଜେନ୍ସି ପାଇଁ ବି ବଞ୍ଚେଇକି ରଖ ଯାଦ୍ୱାରା ରହିବ ଟେନସନ୍ ଫ୍ରି କିନ୍ତୁ ଝୁମୁକା
Well done. ଏବେ ହେବ ବଡ଼ ଷ୍ଟୁଡିଓ ନୂଆ କ୍ୟାମେରା ନୂଆ ଲାଇଟ୍ସ
ତା ସାଥିରେ ନୂଆ କାର୍ ବି ନେଇନିଅ ସେଇ ଲୋନ୍ରେ ସହଜରେ ପାଅ କାର୍ ନୁହେଁ ତୁମର ଫଟୋ ହିଁ ନେଇଯାଅ
ଆପଣ କିଏ
आरबीआई कहे
आर्थिक बुद्धिमत्ता जारी से समृद्ध नारी
बिजली का बिल किराना 5,000 बच गए
तो नई साड़ी ले ले
ना पिछले महीने तो ली थी
एक और
नहीं पहले बजट बनाओ फिर
जाओ भाई
आरबीआई कहता है
वित्तीय समझदारी समृद्ध नारी गुड गुड
आरबीआई कहता है
वित्तीय समझदारी समृद्ध नारी
forum in the state, General Manager of UCO Bank and SLBC Canada. So, please.
Let us thank the Reserve Bank of India for organizing this event, which highlights the pivotal role of financial literacy that plays in the empowering women and ultimately driving the prosperity of our society. Tools they need to make informed financial decisions, ensuring their economic independence and safety. Where 2,27,10 accounts are opened under PMJDY scheme, that is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, with total deposits amounting more than 10,055,000 crores, 9,32,000, which is around 56.83% of the total PMJDY account. This demonstrates that women are increasingly participating in formal financial system and taking charge of financial futures.
Energetic and creative team of artists who would present.
परिवेशरे डायनामिक प्लाटफर्म भुवनेश्वर द्वारा प्रस्तुत नाटक आर्थिक बुद्धिमत्ता जाहारी से ही समृद्ध नारी ला 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 नाचे नाचे नाचाई पुकाई गीत नी बुझी जा আমায় নাটা সদা হুয়া সদা দেখি আমারি নাটা সদা হুয়া সদা দেখি আমারি নাটা লা 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 গায়ু সহারা সহারা বুলি বুলি করো নাটা सब बुझी सोची कामटी करिले सब बुझी सोची कामटी करिले रहिबनी दुख कष्ट इच्छा सतक भाई बंधु संगत इच्छा सतक भाई बंधु संगत এই মଣିষମାନଙ୍କ মନରେ মন্দাগতি সৃষ্টি କରିବା ମୋର କାମ। এই ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା କେବେ ବି ହବାକୁ ଦେବିନି। ତୁମେ କିଏ? ମୁଁ ସଦ୍ବୁଦ୍ଧି। ସଦ୍ବୁଦ୍ଧି? ହଁ, ଏ ସମାଜରେ ବସବାସ କରୁଥିବା ମଣିଷମାନଙ୍କର ମଙ୍ଗଳ କାମନା କରିବା ମୋର କର୍ମ। ଏ ମଣିଷମାନଙ୍କୁ ସଦା ସର୍ବଦା ସତ୍ମାର୍ଗରେ ନେଇଯିବା ମୋର ପରମ ଧର୍ମ। ଏ ମଣିଷମାନଙ୍କ ମନରେ ସତ୍ଚିନ୍ତା କରାଇବା ମୋର କର୍ମ। ଆରେ ଏବେ
ତୁ କଣ କରୁଥିଲୁ ମତେ ଆଗ କହିଲୁ?
କଣ କରୁଥିଲି? ଘରଟା ତାଙ୍କର ଏତେ କାମ ପଡିଛି, ତମେ ପଚାରୁଛ କଣ କରୁଥିଲି? ରୋଷେଇ କରୁଥିଲି ମୁଁ।
କଣ ଦରକାର ମତେ କହିଲୁ?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ, ମୁଁ କହିବିନି।
କଣ ଦରକାର କହ?
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ, କହିବା ମୁଁ କହିବିନି।
ଏମିତି ଅବୁଝ ହନି। କଣ ଟଙ୍କା ଦରକାର ଆଗ ମତେ କହ, ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ତତେ ଦଉଛି ନା ନାଇଁ କହିବି।
3 ଖଣ୍ଡ ଶାଢୀ ଆଣିବି କହୁଛି।
3 ଖଣ୍ଡ?
ହଁ ହଁ, 3 ଖଣ୍ଡ। ଆଉ ହଁ, ପଡିଶା ଘର ମୀନା ଭାଉଜ କହୁଥିଲେ ଫିଲ୍ମ ହଲରେ ବାବୁସାନର ଗୋଟେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଫିଲ୍ମ ପଡିଛି। ଆଉ ସେ ଫିଲ୍ମଟା ନା ଭାରି ବଢିଆ ହେଇଛି। ଆଜି ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ଆମେ 2 ଜଣ ସେ ଫିଲ୍ମଟାକୁ ନିହାତି ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଯିବା।
ଆଜି
ଆଜି ଆସିବା।
ତ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଫୁଣ୍ଡ କିଛି କାମ କରୁନି ବୋଧେ। ତୁ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଜାଣିଛୁ ଆମେ ସକାଳେ ଖଟିଲେ ସଞ୍ଜକୁ ଖାଉଛୁ। ଆମ ପାଖକୁ କିଛି ପଇସା ଆସିଛି ନା ନାଇଁ? ତୋର ଗୋଟେ ଦିନରେ ଶାଢୀ ଦରକାର, ସିନେମା ଯିବା ଦରକାର, ବଡ ହୋଟେଲରେ ଖାଇବା ଦରକାର। ଏତେ ସପନକୁ ରାତି ନା।
ମନା କଲି ବୋଲି ରାଗୁଛୁ ଏତେ, ବୁଝି ଯାରେ ଟିକେ ପାଗେରେ ଭୁଲେ ହଉଛୁ କେତେ ଟିକେ।
ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ସଞ୍ଚୟ କରିବା। ଏଇ ମାସରେ ଆମେ ଯେତିକି ପଇସା ନେଇକି ଆସିଲେ ସେଇ ପଇସାର ଆମେ କୋଉଠି କଣ ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିବା ଆଗ ହିସାବ କରିଦବା। ସେଥିରୁ କିଛି ପଇସା ସଞ୍ଚୟ କରିଦବା। ଆଉ ମନ ଖରାପ କର, ବଳକା ପଇସାରେ ଆମେ କଣ କରିବା କହିଲେ? ତତେ ମୁଁ ସିନେମା ଦେଖେଇଦେବି ହେଲା। ଆରେ ହଁ ହଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା, ଆମେ ମାନେ ତ ମାସକୁ ଯେତିକି ଯାହା ପାରିବୁ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଭାବରେ ସଞ୍ଚୟ କରିବୁ। ଆପଣ ମାନେ କିଛି ସଞ୍ଚୟ କରନ୍ତୁ। ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତ ଆମ RBI କହେ ଆର୍ଥିକ ବୁଦ୍ଧିମତା ଯାହାରି ହିଁ ସମୃଦ୍ଧ ନାରୀ।